Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Ethereum from Phantom Wallet to Kucoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your ETH securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, step-by-step way. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your phone or browser extension set up. Open it and make sure you're on the Ethereum network. Phantom supports multiple chains, so double-check by selecting ETH from your dashboard. This is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Next, log into your Kucoin account on their website or app. Head to the Assets or Deposit section and select Ethereum. You'll see a unique deposit address. Copy it carefully. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so accuracy is key to prevent losing your funds. Now, switch back to Phantom Wallet. Tap on the Send button, and in the recipient field, paste the Kucoin address you just copied. Take a second to verify it matches exactly, no typos allowed. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Keep an eye on the transaction fees. They can fluctuate based on network congestion, so adjust if needed to keep costs low. Ethereum transactions use the network's gas fees, which might take a bit to process. Once everything looks good, hit the Send or Confirm button. You'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. This adds an extra layer of protection. After sending, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour for the ETH to appear in your Kucoin account, depending on the network's speed. And there you have it, your Ethereum is now on its way. A quick tip. Always start with small amounts when testing transfers to stay safe. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.